Assalamu alaikum. So, our first chapter, what I'll call it, is going to be about self awareness. What is self awareness or what is introspection? It is to examine your own mental and emotional processes. Every day we're criticizing or we're judging a lot of things in this world क्योंकि हम लोग को अक्सर लगता है दैट वी वर बॉर्न विदाउट एनी फॉल्ट्स और विदाउट एनी imperfections, so we can never be at fault. But this self reflection is very important for you to realize that sometimes we're also at fault. Exactly a month ago, I asked myself some questions. और वो सवाल क्या थे? Am I perfect? क्या मैंने कभी किसी से झूठ बोला है? क्या मैंने कभी किसी को बुली किया है? क्या मैंने कभी किसी का बदतमीज़ी किया है? Have I hurt somebody intentionally or unintentionally? Or have I been like very cruel to someone? क्या मैंने कभी किसी पे shout किया है, किसी को गाली दी है? When you ask yourself these questions, the first thing that comes to your mind is कि no, मैंने तो ये चीज़ें नहीं की. Obviously the other person is gonna be at fault, या मेरा थोड़ी सी तो मेरी गलती होगी, but I wasn't at fault. But the truth is we are at fault. If I talk about myself, I'll start with myself. I too have bullied people. I've been very mean to people. I used to imitate का मतलब है कि मैं लोगों की नकल चढ़ाती थी and my friends know about it, और वो जिसकी होती थी वो बंदा सामने ही होता था and all of us used to laugh a lot and I didn't care at that time कि किसी को मैंने hurt किया कि नहीं किया, but I used to do it because I thought it was funny. And ultimately that was bullying. I've been very mean to people. I've also lied so many times. I've hurt people a lot and that really shows कि मेरी बहुत जगहों पे गलती होती है. The truth is कि हम में से बहुत से लोग हैं, बल्कि हर बंदा है जो कि किसी ना किसी की लाइफ में एक बुली या एक विलन ज़रूर होता है. एंड वंस यू एक्नॉलेज द फैक्ट कि अच्छा मेरी लाइफ में ये सिचुएशन है और मुझसे ये गलती होगी या दिस इज़ वेयर आई एम रॉन्ग, one thing that you can do is to start changing yourself. My father says this a lot of times and he tells us this thing, that introspection is pretty much like driving a car. आप गाड़ी चला तो आगे रहे होते हो मगर आपकी बार बार नज़र पड़ती है अपनी rear view mirror पे. And looking at your rear view mirror tells you कि आपने किसी को गलत तरीके से overtake किया है, किसी को ठीक तरीके से overtake किया है. If you've switched a lane very I'll say wrongly, और अगर आपको पीछे से कोई बंदा हॉर्न दे रहा है ऑफ समथिंग दैट you've डन रॉन्ग, और इफ़ यू ड्राइविंग कम्प्लीटली फाइन. सो बेसिकली आपका पास्ट और आपकी मिस्टेक्स आर योर रेयर व्यू मिरर एंड वॉट यू आर सीइंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू इज़ योर फ्यूचर. इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्चुअली मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि हम लोग रेयर व्यू मिरर में देखते रहते हैं एंड अल्टीमेटली वी कैन क्रैश आवर कार. थिंक अबाउट वट यू कैन डू इंस्टेड ऑफ वट यू हैव डन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you gave a presentation and you prepared it really well, but it turned out to be a huge failure for some reason and you get very bad reviews and everything. Now you have two choices. Either you can question yourself, okay, why am I such a failure? Why didn't it go well? Why didn't anybody like my presentation? Why am I like this? Why does everything bad happen to me? You can replace the why word with the what word. If you replace this why word with what, you will ultimately start to recognize your strengths and how you can actually overcome your weaknesses or your failures. Like the example that I gave you earlier, अगर आप ये सोचते रहो कि मैं एक failure क्यों, why didn't I do well? How about you start thinking, what can I do to make myself better? Or what can I do to make it more successful or make it more better for people to understand? ये जो एक लफ्ज़ का चेंज होता है from why to what, ये ultimately आपकी पूरी thinking change कर देता है. The why word will constantly make you feel like आप एक failure हो और आपने ही गलती की है, you're at fault, guilty feel करो, you know, get stuck in your past and never come out of it. Whereas this what word is going to push you in the future and towards your goal, and it won't make you feel bad anymore, बल्कि ये आपको अपनी success की तरफ लेके जाएगा. It will push you to challenge your own weaknesses, to challenge yourself every day to become a better person. And remember, this one word will change the entire course of your life, the entire meaning of your life, your goals, your ambitions, and it will take you closer to them ultimately. A human being keeps on growing every single second. And once you see that somebody is changing themselves, प्लीज़ ट्राई टू चेंज योर ओपिनियन अबाउट दैट पर्सन, बिकॉज जो वो पहले था वो अब नहीं होता. दैट फ्रेज दैट वी यूज़ के वंस यूर इन माई बैड बुक्स यूल ऑलवेज बी देयर, ये फ्रेज़ गलत होता है. क्योंकि हम में से बहुत से लोग हैं जो who go through this introspection, they change themselves, they become better, they become stronger, and that is the person they want you to see. But remember one thing, इस पूरे change के अंदर there's one little enemy that you have to push away, and that is your ego, आपकी अना. This one word, this characteristic, this trait is what is the destruction of us as humans. ये एक चीज़ हमें इंसान बनने से रोकती है. हसद, गुस्सा, violence, hatred, all of these things, they're like rays of this ego candle, and it's going to stop you from becoming a better person. It's going to keep telling you in your ear कि तुम्हारी कोई गलती नहीं, तुमने कुछ गलत नहीं किया. So remain like focused on your own statement. कुछ अब किसी को apologize मत करना. This is what stops us from being a human. I would say take this day, experiment with yourself, think about all the wrong things that you've done, because if we want to see a change in people, let's start with ourselves first.